Okay, hi Chui. So this is my view on Australian Swiss franc trade. Overall, it's an uptrend. So I'm actually inclined towards the buy. And over the as you can see from the volume wise is kind of equal throughout. Like there's nothing significant that appears until the like this end area, which is the at this area at the end. Okay, so as you can see at the extreme on this area versus this large level over here, I would say the pressure is more towards the buy side due to the time they take to build up at this level. And in terms of the volume, they looks pretty equal to me. So I actually don't really expect like this this refresh over here to break this level. So I was actually looking at some kind of trap area at the bottom, which is in the lower time frame to continue the trend upwards. So as you can see, that at this level where it's actually sitting between two trap areas, which is one at the bottom and one at the top, which probably is somewhere here. And the price just came down strongly, taking out everything in below, and so my trade is void due to this large piece over here. However, if maybe another scenario that might plays out is that the price hold on, the price might just do a little pullback until maybe like this area where there are traps, and then I'll consider actually taking a buy outwards. But this piece didn't happen, so the trade is void when this level is broken. Yeah, so this is my view on Australian Swiss francs. So hopefully it helps. It might help. Yeah, thank you.